In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add external links on Google Sites fast and easy. Let's get started right away. First off, open up your web browser and navigate to Google. In the search bar, type in Google Sites. You'll see a list of results, but go ahead and click on the first link that appears. This should take you directly to the Google Sites homepage. If you're not familiar, Google Sites is a tool that allows you to create your own websites easily and for free with just your Google account. Once you're on the Google Sites homepage, you'll likely see a list of sites that you've previously created. If you haven't created any yet, you might need to hit the plus sign to start a new one. But for those of you who have, select the site that you would like to modify by clicking on it to open up its editor page. This is the space where all the magic happens. With your site open, look for the section or page where you want to add an external link. Reading through your content, identify the specific text you want to turn into a link. Go ahead and highlight this text by clicking and dragging your mouse over it. This text is what your visitors will click on to go to the external site you want to link to. Now, to actually create the link, you'll want to locate the toolbar at the top of your editor. There's an icon that looks like a chain link. That's the link or hyperlink button. Click on it. This will open up a new window where you can insert the URL for your external link. In this new window, proceed to paste the URL, the web address, that you want to link to. Make sure to double-check your URL. It needs to be accurate because this is the web page where your link will lead. Having issues with the URL might affect how your visitors experience your site. Once you've pasted the URL, turn your eyes to the right section of this box and find the Apply button. Click on it, and your external link will now be active and clickable on your Google site. You've turned simple text into an interactive element that can redirect your visitors to more content and information. And there you have it. You've successfully added an external link to your Google site. Adding external links can be a great way to connect your audience with related content, enhance their experience on your site, and provide additional resources. It's a simple yet effective way to make your site more comprehensive. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful. Take care, and see you in the next video.